Okay, I'm really excited for this. So I'm just gonna, jump right into it. So I got here perm rods and magic rollers. So what I'm gonna do, oh, and I also got this twisty thing. I'm definitely making a video on this, so make sure you subscribe so you see it. I've been seeing that they give similar results, so I'm gonna go ahead and just try it on both. I'm gonna do one side perm rods and then one side magic rollers. This is an old blowout and twist out, and so I just decided to do it on stretched hair. It like when I usually do perm rods, I always do it on stretched hair because it just looks better to me. It's more fuller. I'm gonna use some heat protectant because I think I'm gonna dry it. I got the 40 pack, I think. Wow, it sounded really like I'm from New York. Whew, okay. Hopefully this looks nice. Bouncy. Ooh. All right, let me stop playing. We're gonna separate these. This side is a lot curlier and a lot more shrunken, and this side is like longer, like I mean, you let me know which one you prefer. I really like the magic rollers because I guess it's kind of comfortable, but then the perm rods aren't that bad to sleep in either. So to be honest, I think I might prefer the magic rollers. But I don't know, man. I think I have to give it another try.
Bust down, Barbiana, bust down, Barbiana. Bust down and pick that.
I mean, I hope you enjoyed the video. And I'll see you in my next video.
I'm from New York, but we don't never say good morning. Ripping the block and he don't come on till the morning. I always pray to have a building with a doorman. Now I'm so busy, I gotta turn on these endorsements. Now I'm flaunting everything that I want. And remember a time when I couldn't even afford it.